Good morning. Brad Burns here, Director of Maintenance at RTI. I just want to come to you this morning with a quick video to talk about AntiGel. So obviously winter weather is quickly approaching, so we want to make sure you have the information that you need. First things first, if you're going to be in temperatures below 32 degrees, make sure you do use AntiGel. Also make sure you put it in before you get to the freezing temperatures. So if you're in Texas, you get a load, maybe you're picking up a load that goes to the northeast, if it's going to be below freezing, make sure you put it in before you get there. Also make sure you put it in before you fuel. So if you're low, you're going to have to fuel up, put the AntiGel in first, then put your fuel in so that it mixes in with the fuel much better. Next thing to remember is do not put it in your Diff Tank. Please do not do that. It only goes in your fuel tanks. If you do happen to put it in your Diff Tank, if you catch it before you start the truck, call into us and let us know so we can get you towed and get it drained. If you do drive with it in there like that, you're going to cause yourself some major repairs and major downtime, so make sure you don't do that. Last thing is just to make sure you follow the dosing information on the bottle. Different size bottles and different brands treat different amounts of fuel, so just make sure you follow what the bottle tells you. What we'll have at the terminals that you'll get at any of the terminals may be a little bit different than what you get on the road. So again, just make sure you follow that dosing information and you'll be just fine. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please feel free to let us know. Otherwise, you stay safe, have a great day, and thank you for all you do.